My name's Susanna Wilkinson. I'm a Director of Emerging Technology in the digital team at Herbert Freehills. And we were involved this time in the ELLIS project with Team Her HSF, which was a group of international students. The challenge we gave them was to explore the application of the EU AI Act on Australian businesses. So this is new law that's come in, and it's the first comprehensive legislation that deals with the risks of artificial intelligence. So it's a super topical area. Very interesting to see the analysis that they did applying these laws to real-world fact scenarios.
I applied to ELLIS program because I want to get more experience in Australian working system, since we are not allowing to do working full-time here. So ELLIS is a good opportunity for me to get a lot of insights and skills.
I find it a really good opportunity to build my connections with the local legal industry and meet some new friends from other pop culture backgrounds. I guess the most important part is learn how to do the teamwork and to be professional at the same time.
Law school, most subjects are very theoretical, and it was so great to have this concrete experience of the practical world, what this business actually demands from us as lawyers. We have to be very succinct, very practical, and all this Susanna taught us.
I was really impressed with the standard of the work that the team did. They managed to distill some really complicated concepts and present that information in a digestible way.
I think that the fact that it's not just a subject in law school, but it's the real world. We're dealing with a real partner in a law firm. I think that upgrades the level of expectation, but in a good way, because it makes us learn and be prepared.
Actually, I have just chosen 3 courses about AI in Melbourne Law School, and I think this is a good chance for me to turn my learning knowledge into practice.
I didn't have enough experience or knowledge about artificial intelligence before, but this project actually helped me learn more about it. And what I got from it is not only the application of the EU AI Act to Australian businesses, real-life businesses, but also how a business should navigate its way through applying the Act to itself.
It was a really good experience, just watching the team dynamics, the way that they've obviously pulled together and worked collaboratively to solve the challenge that we set for them was really impressive.
Experience in working a team is very valuable for me, and I just learn a lot from my team workers, and I think they are all good persons, and I just will be good friends in the future.
I 100% recommend the ELLIS program.
It's a really precious opportunity to explore the industry, to build local connections.
I think it's something very differential that you can put in your resume. I think as international students, unfortunately, we just don't have the same opportunities as Australians, and I think this program is making a difference for a lot of us. So I would definitely recommend.